Hello and welcome back again, my friends, with Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas video again. We came back in another video. So as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all the here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline in the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend, just a red button down, click at it, next to hit a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family, and you, if you are a part of our family, please go ahead, pause the video now, smashing the like button, writing down a comment if you could, then come back and continue with us. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. So let's start with our lesson of today. As you see here, guys, that the daily candle finished here. Is it that green one here, as you see it? And nothing was changed. What else we said before? People that been with us yesterday, we said we got that one here, that inside bar here. So till now we couldn't break it above here. Also we staying sideways here. There is nothing new, and that about 2 weeks now. Also we are sideways here. We haven't break up and we haven't break down, so it's still very early for us to make a decision. I'm talking here about long-term trading, so there is nothing. And after tomorrow we're going to make for you the weekly candle finish it, then we're going to see what the Bitcoin done till now. So till now there is nothing new here. We need to wait more, and tomorrow we're going to make for you the on-chain data analysis. That, man, we're going to analyze for you a little bit of on-chain. We'll tell you that on-chain indicators, what they're saying. So I think picture is too clear here. And here, what else we said last week or last Friday, like today, we be in here at that level here, at that level here. We put in that 2 levels here. That one here at 31k, at the down one at 22,500. That's what we said. We said the pots, they be in here down, and the calls, they be in here in the top. And as you see, the market is closed below the 2 levels. It doesn't break here 31k, and it doesn't fall down here to 22,500. I think picture is too clear here. Now for next week, let's see where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So let's go into analyze the option. Where is the Bitcoin is going to go exactly. So let's go in there. Here we are. As you see it over here, we analyze every week the options, where is the Bitcoin is going to go. As you see it, next week is going to end up at 7th of month 4. So, and it's going to be the start of the month, so you need to be careful about that. So here we will look in where is the levels. As you see it here, as you see, the first level here is it at 29,500. As you see, the calls here is 811 Bitcoin, and here the pot is 0. That means that the first level we're going to put in the top. So now let's looking for the down for the pots where they are. Here at 25 there is some exit here. As you see it, guys, here at 23,500. So we said the first level is it at 29,500, and down is it at 23,500. As you see it here, the pot is too high number, is 135 Bitcoin. The calls is 0, and the open interest is 276 Bitcoin. So I think picture is too clear here. Now let's going back to the chart to drawing those levels together. Here we are here in the chart. Let's draw in the first level. We said 29,500. Here we are 29,500. Then we click at OK. As you see it where it is, and down we said 23,500 like that. So as you see it, that the 2 levels. So people of the options, they thinking of all the next week the Bitcoin, it will not break here that level of 29,500, and down here it will not break 23,500. So you go to the chart of you and you join that 2 levels. So I think maybe they are right. Let's make it like that, or maybe they are wrong. Maybe we're going to see the Bitcoin from here, it's falling down to touch that 200 moving average here before the going up. But me, I told you there is no falling down here. The Bitcoin, if it fall down, is going to fall down here to that level between 24 till 22, as you see it here, or 23. So if the Bitcoin fall down, it's going to fall down here. So people they haven't buy, they can buy from here before the major move start. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What else we said here in the last video? We said we got here a flag or a channel or name it whatever you want. The names, it doesn't matter. The most important to know to trade them. As you see it, how I draw it me. I came to that level here, that one here, and that one here, that in the down. In the top, same thing here. And also we're still waiting now where is the break is going to happen. We need to break either up here for us to enter long or either down here for us to enter short. Till now the Bitcoin doesn't break either up or either down. So we need to wait in more, guys. By the way, that channel here or that flag also we drawing here, the one I'm talking about, is the same inside bar also we got in the daily. So depending on you where you want to enter, if you want to enter for swing trading or for long term. Now we need to wait in the break what is going to happen. If we break in above here, that means the Bitcoin is going to go to 34k. If the Bitcoin fall down and breaking down here, it's going to fall down to between 24 and 23. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator here in the 4 hours, same thing, nothing was changed. As you see that divergence line here, we couldn't break it till now. As you see it, all the times we came back here, but we couldn't break it here. Now the Bitcoin, it fall down again, it touch here, now it's showing it going back up. I tell it to you yesterday, maybe it's going to give us another high. But till now, we're still waiting that channel I just show you to get broke in the top here. And here, that indicator here to break the trend line for us to know us we are going up. Some people, they follow our analysis. They try to explain how us we explain, but it's not right. Them, they focus just about the small one, that small trend line here. They're telling people it came down here, it touching, but it's not yet. We need to break that one, the long term one. That one is the most important one, not the down one, because the long term one, look at it, how it coming from. If you want to explain to the people by our way, it's okay. Also, we don't have any problem, but you need to follow the trend line here as you see it, how we draw it us. That one, it needs to be broken here for us to know the market is going to change. Till now, it hasn't changed, so you need to wait and more. And also here, we got a very clear divergence like that. Look at it, very clear divergence. So that line of the divergence here, it needs to be broke for us to know the market is changing from a downtrend to an uptrend. Yes, us here, we're still in the bull control. Also, we haven't entered to the bear control. That's a good news. That man, in the 4 hours, also we're still in an uptrend. The market hasn't changed, so we need to wait and more what the coming days they are going to tell us. And also we came to you every day, guys. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying. That one here, we tell you we got here a divergence. We just show it to you in yesterday video and before yesterday, all those days we've been showing you the same analysis here. We told you we got here a divergence and our indicator is it here at the overbought area. I told you technically you need to looking for short, but we need a price action. The only price action also we got here is that one here, and we show you even that one here. We got here a flag. So now either the Bitcoin is going to break above here and it's going to go to 34k, or it's going to fall down here and it's going to fall down to between 24 till 23k. So till now there is nothing new here. You need to wait in, and me, I'm teaching you here to learn passion, because without passion there is nothing, guys. You need to remember that passion is the key of success. Because we don't come just to throw money from window. You need to wait until the right time and the right moment. Everything is too clear. And as you see here, the 200 moving average here, where is it? Is it exactly where us we saying? We saying us the Bitcoin is going to fall down here to that level here, and that the level where me I told you the take profit if you enter short, and the entry short it need at least to come to break here. And also we're going to enter here to the 200 moving average. Then after that we're going to see if we are going to go up or no. And I show you even that one yesterday. I told you the Bitcoin he tried to give us here a very clear head and shoulder here. I show it to you even that one, but till now we haven't broken the neckline, and the same thing, the neckline is the same level of that flag I just show you. So you need to wait and more till the right time, guys. There is nothing now, and Saturday and Sunday you know the market is flat till Sunday early in the morning. Then we're going to see a little bit difference. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So it's going there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in the last video, what else we said like that, and we said here in the top like that. As you see, the Bitcoin it came here, it gave us here a fake breakout here, so that when the people they enter will have they put stop loss here, then the market it go back up hitting the stop loss, and the market it gave you here something new here. That one I haven't analyzed it for you. It give you here a double bottom as you see it, and it's breaking the neckline here, and now here it's showing here in the top a double top here. Even now I think the market is going to stay sideways here. So for scalpers and day traders, try to avoid those days, because even if you're looking here at the 200 moving average, it's telling you also we are in a flat market. So majority of the times now market it doesn't move as you see it. It came here now. You can draw in something like that and you waiting. If we breaking down here, you can enter short. For the long is the same thing, and you can even draw in here. Now, like a triangle here as you see it, and you're waiting the break to happen here. We need to break at least that level here. If we don't break it, there is no entry long. And for the short, it's need to come down or to break for us the 200 moving average for us to know the market is going to fall down. And the 200 moving average here is the same with that trend line I just show you here as you see it. Trend line started from here, and now we are here as you see it. It's need that one to come to break down here. Even if you got now here, look at it here, it's near to give you here a double top here. That one, if you want to enter from here to the 200 moving average to make a small profit here, but if you want the market to move, it's need to break here at least the 200 moving average for us to know the market is going to move more. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator as you see it is it here at the overbought area, so technically you need to look in for short. For you to enter short, it's need that one to come to break here like that, or if you want to aim for small profit, to wait in that double top here to break for you the neckline here, then you enter to the 200 moving average, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.